Ready to build awesome websites and boost your web development skills? Let's unlock the secrets to learning Adobe Dreamweaver. First, head straight to the source. Adobe's own website offers free tutorials, documentation, and even sample files to get you started. Look for their Learn section and explore the Dreamweaver specific content. Next, familiarize yourself with the Dreamweaver interface. Spend some time exploring the different panels, toolbars, and views. Practice switching between Code View, Live View, and Design View to understand how they all work together. Now, let's dive into online courses. Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and LinkedIn Learning offer structured Dreamweaver courses for all skill levels. Look for courses with positive reviews and hands-on projects. Don't just watch videos, build stuff. The best way to learn is by doing. Start with simple projects like creating a basic web page with headings, paragraphs, and images. Then, gradually increase the complexity as you gain confidence. Join the community. Online forums, blogs, and social media groups dedicated to web development are invaluable resources. Ask questions, share your work, and learn from other developers' experiences. To recap, leverage official Adobe resources. Explore the interface, take online courses, build real projects, and engage with the web development community. With dedication and these resources, you'll be well on your way to mastering Adobe Dreamweaver and creating stunning websites. Don't forget to subscribe for more web development tips and tricks.